Family happiness by keeping your child happy. Here, I am giving some of the most valuable tips I learned in my life, which will help you in making your child happy forever, and that too without spending a rupee from your pocket. The most effective way to happiness of your child is when you become their role model. Child appreciates when their mother adores their father. And when she does not, she will express it when you are not around, and most children witness that. You can read that on the face of your child when you enter your house. The solution is very simple. Every time you enter home, hug your wife. I mean, give a real good hug, not that typical pastry hug. If you are asking, how can I hug my wife in front of everyone? My reply is, she's your wife and you can hug her anytime and anywhere. Please remember, if you express your love in front of your child will become a home loving child. And I guarantee such child will never become a drug addict. More importantly, your child will enjoy living in the house instead of wishing to leave your house. Similarly, when you respect elders, seniors, and even servants, you create healthy environment at home which your child will cherish forever. Always express high regards for their teachers. Never ever criticize them or allow your child to pass comment on their teachers. We induce disregard for teachers at early stages of their schooling and they stick to it forever. Keep telling them you have to first deserve before desiring the best. And the best teacher will arrive when you are desperate to learn. If you have a habit of finding good in others, that is your child, your spouse, your colleagues, your neighbors, then your child will grow in a very positive environment. Be pleasant at home, especially at dinner time. This contributes a lot in child's development. One request, don't use dinner time to educate your child. They don't like to be told, but they like to listen when you are casually talking to your spouse. Take this opportunity to pass on a great motivational story once in a while. Your child will not only capture it, but also tell it to their friends. Your child expects you to give them strength to overcome mistakes and failures. Your friends determine who you are. So get your friends home not for parties but to share values. And beware, your child is watching you. Child must hear good things from you. So never say this world is bad. Never blame the politicians. Never curse the system. And please, never reduce value of honesty. Otherwise, your child will ask you, if the world is so bad, why the hell I was born? Your actions make the difference. Introduce your child to good and successful people around you. Shaking hand with them will empower your child. Teach them to touch feet of elders by doing it yourself. Blessings of elders will build character in them. Hug your child as often as you can, even when they have grown up. When father hugs, child gets strength and courage. And when mother hugs, child gets love and care. Be with your child even if you have to watch a Cartoon Network. If you are reaching home late and your child is fast asleep, don't worry. Just be at their bed for some time and touch their forehead. They will capture your everlasting love. When you are praising your child, always use and in place of but. For example, if your child has scored 60% marks instead of regular 50%, never say, congrats, you got 60%, but you have to study little hard, you would have scored 70%. This will nullify their achievement as well as your praise. Instead, you say, congrats, you got 60%, and if you continue studying like this, you will surely achieve your goal. Help your child to find purpose of life. Your child will be able to find life's mission only when you say at every opportunity, you are great. You are born for a great cause. I am confident you will achieve something great in life. Your child can become great person if you tell them about great leaders, because we have forgotten what a great leader looks like. We only know leaders who force a Mumbai or Bharat Bandh on us. We only know leaders who encourage pelting of stones on cars and buses. We only know leaders whose birthday posters are displayed all around the city without a date and for over a month. We also know leaders who grow from rags to riches when they first get elected, and then we see them growing richer and richer after every election that they win. This is probably the reason why for generations we are unable to get good leaders. Our children even hate voting at elections. Please help them to lead us in a better way. I used to think true leader is the one who remains in the mind and soul of a common man. Here I'll give you example of our ex-Prime Minister, late Lal Bahadur Shastri. His slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan had energized me. He had appealed to the nation not to have food on Monday evenings. And I still remember that all hotels used to remain closed in the entire city. And like us, every house used to observe fast on every Monday evening religiously. Inspire your child to become a true leader that our country needs. Lastly, teach your child to respect every religion by respecting them yourself. Tell them religions are like different schools teaching same subjects through different syllabus. Only then our children will be happy and live in peaceful world.